Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and girls and guys. Welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series. We are in our most excellent series called Python Coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 84, and I am going to show you while loop break. In the previous lesson, I showed you how the while loop works. Now, how you are going to apply a break in the while loop. Alright, let me show you. So, basically, the while there is a statement called break, break. All right, you can also call it as a method or a function, but it's basically it's a statement, right? We can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. Okay, even if the condition is true, we can just stop the entire loop while applying that break statement. All right, let's do some coding, guys. I'm going to show you some example. Let's get into terminal. I am on my Python terminal in Jetson Nano. Alright, let's open the file. Nano, what was the file name? While.py. Okay, let me delete this code. Okay, now let's say I equals to 1. Okay, and then while, the keyword while, can you see the color changes in the IDE? While I is say less than 6, indentation, print I. Okay, so this is going to print till 1 2 3 4 5 and stop. But if we are going to give a user if statement, if I is equal 3 colon, okay, I'm supposed to use a colon here as well, or else the program is going to break. And then if I is equal 3, then this is where you give a break. Oops, break. Okay, and then we go back to I plus or equal to 1. I think this logic is correct. While I less than 6, print I. Okay, and then if I is greater equal 3. Alright, we are giving a break there. Let's see, guys, how it so basically, yeah, it should work. Let's see. Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3 while.py. There you go. It's as simple as that, guys. You are giving a break at 3 itself, though you said I is less than 6, but the cutoff is 3. So it's pretty straightforward and a simple example, guy. I hope you are enjoying this lesson. You learned about if and while, and now while break. You are applying a break, right? So I'm going to get back to you soon with a couple of more tricks and trades in Python. Alright, see you soon. Till then.